Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a highly anticipated device that's making waves in the tech world, the Microsoft Surface Pro. With its latest iteration, Microsoft is aiming squarely at the iPad Pro's dominance in the two-in-one category. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting with design, the Surface Pro continues Microsoft's tradition of sleek, professional aesthetics. It's incredibly lightweight at just under 2 pounds, making it highly portable without sacrificing durability. The magnesium alloy chassis feels premium and sturdy, available in several appealing colors including black, platinum, dune, and sapphire. Moving on to the display, the Surface Pro offers a 13-inch touchscreen with a resolution of 2880 by 1920 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The option for an OLED display enhances color vibrancy and contrast, perfect for media consumption and creative work. Under the hood, this device packs Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon X Elite chip paired with up to 32 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 1 TB of PCIe SSD storage. This setup promises smooth performance, whether you're multitasking, editing photos, or streaming high-definition content. It's worth noting that the Surface Pro runs on Windows 11, providing full PC functionality unlike the iPad Pro's mobile-centric iPad OS. Battery life is crucial for any mobile device, and the Surface Pro impresses with up to 14 hours on a single charge. This endurance is particularly commendable considering the power-efficient ARM-based architecture and the optional OLED display. In terms of usability, the Surface Pro supports the new Surface Pro Flex keyboard and previous Surface keyboards, offering flexibility for existing users. The inclusion of the new Slim Pen, though slightly cumbersome to access, enhances the creative and productivity capabilities of the device. Microsoft has made strides with its Windows on ARM initiative, leveraging a new Prism emulation layer to improve compatibility with x86 applications. This means you can run a wide range of software seamlessly on this device, bridging the gap between traditional PC tasks and tablet functionality. Wrapping up, the Microsoft Surface Pro emerges as a serious contender in the two-in-one market. Its blend of elegant design, powerful performance, and full Windows functionality sets it apart from competitors like the iPad Pro. While we'll need more time for thorough testing, early impressions suggest Microsoft has crafted a compelling device for professionals and creatives alike. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech reviews. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think of the new Microsoft Surface Pro? Until next time, this has been Product Critique. Thanks for watching.